Top 3 Air Fryers Under $100. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers. If you've been thinking about getting one but don't want to break the bank, you're in the right place. We've picked 3 amazing air fryers under $100 that balance quality, features, and price. We'll compare their pros, cons, and everything you need to know so you can decide which one is perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is the COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer. This air fryer is a fan favorite for its compact design, versatile functions, and powerful performance. It has a 5-quart capacity, which is perfect for small families or couples. You can comfortably cook 2 to 4 servings at a time. The digital touchscreen is super easy to use and features 9 preset cooking functions, from frying and roasting to reheating and baking. It heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which means crispy results every time without the need for excessive oil. Another bonus? The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. COSORI is also known for its user-friendly recipe book, which is perfect if you're just starting out. The smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger families or batch cooking. While it's compact, the basket design can feel narrow, making it tricky to fit larger items like a whole chicken. Next, we have the Ninja Air Fryer 4-quart model. Ninja is a trusted brand in the kitchen appliance world, and this air fryer lives up to the hype. The 4-quart capacity is slightly smaller than the COSORI, but still great for preparing meals for 2 to 3 people. This model offers 4 functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it versatile for different cooking needs. The basket is ceramic coated and non-stick, so you won't have to worry about food sticking or difficult cleanup. It's known for its even cooking results and can reduce fat by up to 75%, which is perfect for healthier meals. The temperature only goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which might not deliver as much crispiness as the COSORI. It's slightly bulkier than the COSORI, so if you're short on counter space, this might not be the best option. The interface is simple but lacks the preset options that make cooking more convenient for beginners. Finally, we have the Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking for simplicity and efficiency. At around $59, this is the most affordable option on our list. It's great if you're new to air fryers or working with a smaller budget. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone on the go. The manual controls are easy to use, with a simple dial for temperature and time. Despite its small size, it's efficient at cooking single servings or small portions quickly. The 2.6-quart capacity is the smallest on this list, so it's best for solo cooks or light snacking. It lacks advanced features like digital controls or preset functions, which might be a downside for some users. The lower capacity means you'll have to cook in batches if you're preparing food for more than one person. Let's quickly recap the pros and cons of each model. COSORI Pro LE 5-quart air fryer, best overall for its versatility, digital controls, and higher temperature settings. Perfect for small families or couples, but not ideal for large portions. Ninja Air Fryer 4-quart, a solid choice for its durability and even cooking results. Slightly bulkier and with fewer presets, but it's a reliable option for everyday use. Tasti-Crisp air fryer, the most affordable and compact option. Great for singles or those new to air frying, but limited in capacity and features. And there you have it, 3 fantastic air fryers under $100. If you're looking for versatility and modern features, the COSORI Pro LE is a clear winner. If you value durability and simplicity, the Ninja air fryer is a great pick. And if you're on a tight budget or need something compact, the Tasti-Crisp is a solid choice. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to grab one of these, check out the links in the description box to shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy air frying!